Okay, in the last video we saw how to install Genymotion on our computer, and in this video we'll see how to configure Genymotion with Android Studio so we can use Genymotion Emulator instead of the default Android emulator, which is quite slow and resource intensive. So I have already added Genymotion Device Manager, so let me just go and remove that first. Plugins, install. Okay, so we'll go to File, Settings, and then we'll go to Plugins. If we look for Genymotion, we won't find it because we have not yet installed the plugin. So we'll go to Browse Repositories, then we'll search Geny and we'll find it, and then click Install. The plugin is installed and it's asking us to restart Android Studio, so we'll restart, apply, OK, restart. So we have restarted Studio after installing Genymotion plugin. You'll be able to see a new tool icon here. Yes, Genymotion Device Manager. So click on it once. So this is the virtual device which we set up after installing Genymotion. It's a Samsung Galaxy S3 4.1.1 API level 16. So the device status is off right now, so we need to start this so that Android Studio can start using this emulator. Now, since I have already configured this virtual device earlier, that is why it is not asking me the path to this location. Otherwise, if you're doing this for the first time, after you click Genymotion Device Manager, if you are doing this for the first time, it will ask you for the path to the Genymotion application. So if that is the case, then you can simply find the path by searching in Windows. Now you can right click on this and click Open File Location. This is still a shortcut. This is not the actual location because it's under C Program Data Microsoft Start menu. So we will right click on this shortcut and click Open File Location. So this is the directory where the Genymotion application is lying. So we would need to copy this address and paste it wherever you get the prompt to enter the path to the Genymotion application. So I have already done that before, that is why it is not asking me now. So anyways, after you enter the path and after you set up everything, you just click on the Genymotion Device Manager, select the virtual device you want to use and just click Start. The virtual device is initializing now. And there is our emulator. So we can close this window now. If you hit refresh, the status should change to on. It's on, so Android Studio can use this emulator. Close this. Now the emulator loaded quite fast, faster than Android Studio's emulator for sure. So I have a sample application here, so we would run this application on the Genymotion emulator. So just click hit play or run or debug, whatever it is. Then the Genymotion emulator is detected. Click OK, and Gradle starts building the project. So the application is installed. on the virtual device and we have the app running. So let's test it out just for fun. Clear. So yeah, if you are not quite satisfied with the emulator that comes along with Android Studio, you can try Genymotion. It's in my experience, it has been pretty good, faster, definitely faster than Android Studio's default emulator.